Arange function is used to create one-dimensional array to specify the value. How we do this? I first import NumPy. Then I use np.arange function. Now I can pass a value. Then if I run this, it will create an array from 0 up to 11, which means I create an array of 12 elements. Now we can name our array to an array like this. Reshaping function is using to change a shape of an array. We simply write an array name and we write reshape function. Inside the reshape function, we pass a particular argument. It depends on what shape of array you want. Let's make this array of 2 dimensions. We need to pass first a row. Now let's make array of 4 rows and 3 columns. Make sure when you product this, it will give you 12. And then let's run this. It will create an array of 2 dimensions with 4 rows and 3 columns. And also we can convert this into 3-dimensional array by using also reshape. How we do this? You should know about 3-dimensional array. You remember in the previous video how we explained 3-dimensional array. First we pass a block. Let's say we need to make an array of 2 blocks. And then we are going to pass a row. So each block will contain the element have 3 rows. Let's write 3. To make sure we fulfill with these elements we have in 1D array, we should multiply these 2 elements. Now we have 6. The remaining value is 2. 6 times 2 is 12. If you write this, we may run. Now you see it gives an array of 3 dimensions. So we may rename this array as new array. Now let's print it again. You see it's the same. Let's say we try to change here and we write, for example, 3. This will give error because I told you a secret is to multiply these elements or arguments and we check if the value is equal to elements number of that array. Now let's return to 2. We may need to convert it back into 1-dimensional array. That is called flattening an array. We use a reshape function again. Then let's use reshape function. Inside the reshape function, we need to pass a -1. This will convert back to 1-dimensional array. Let's run this. You see, it converts back to